more muted. Just say the lighter version of the colour used before. And there's a car horn going outside. So yeah, just going to kind of blend it in that colour but above it, so overlapping the two colours just to kind of make it a nice wee blend. So just blend around the colour. And take more as you need. See how nice that blends out like that? Just so easy. Then I'm going to take some of that underneath as well to squash the brush and blend out that. So basically I'm doing the same to the bottom as I'm doing to the top. I'm going to just go back in with that darker berry shade just to build up the intensity in the crease, because I've lost some of that as I blended it out. And it blends just so nicely in. And then taking more of that just to kind of, I want to really define that outer V area and kind of darken it up loads like that. Go back in with the lighter shade and then blend that out. Taking the shade Love Yourself on a flat brush by Jessups, and I'm going to put that on the lid area so where there's no shadow. Just literally. I'm going to pack it onto the lid. So like that. So something like that. I'm actually going to add some of that quasi colour, that rose gold colour has like a load of missing just on the centre of the lid space. Just to kind of, well, all over that part of just put the other shade on. Just want to brighten it up a little bit. So like that. So something like that. I'm going to go back into the fluffy brush just to tone down the darkness around the edges. Just literally going to blend out that wee edge there. Just to soften up a wee bit more but still keep the depth of it. So this look is perfect for like a special kind of daytime occasion, or if you just want to look a bit more dressed up for day to day wear, or like if you want to like wear this look on a night out but put like a bright or a really dark lip on, it'll be gorgeous. So It's really versatile and it's perfect for like autumn, fall, winter time, or any time you want to wear this look in summer, go for it, or like whatever time of the year if you want to wear this look, just wear it. But yes, I'm not going to put any eyeliner on, I'm just going to like put mascara on, and I'm going to do that off camera and then be right back. So I've just went in with a coat of my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I absolutely love it. Also got my eyelashes tinted and lifted yesterday, also my eyebrow tinted as well, and they haven't lifted as well as like last time, but they still look nice and long and curly, so that's what it looked like with one coat of this mascara. Now that is like insane. I love it. It's one of my favourites. But yeah, I'm going to do one coat because I want it to be still a bit more daytime wearable. Daytime, I know it's like really smoky looking. And obviously me, I'm always dramatic, so I'm like, oh, I'll just go for a nice natural daytime look. No, I always go like 99% of the time it's something like dramatic or like close to it. Sometimes if I'm in a rush, daytime, but no. It's always me, but anyway, I'm just gonna go on with like the contour, like the face stuff basically. I'm gonna take W7 Honolulu bronzer on this wee Ellison's angled face brush. I don't know why I'm doing that for, but just gonna sculpt up my face. This bronzer is a dead on dupe of the Hula bronzer by Benefit, so it's only like £3 or £4. So if you're looking for like a wee affordable dupe for that Benefit Hula, just go for it. Get W7 Honolulu. It's amazing, and it's just the same. It is just the same. I don't really see a difference in Benefit Hula or W7 Honolulu. It's just the same kind of bronzer. I've got reviews on both of them on my channel, so if you want to check them out, go for it. But I would definitely recommend either one of them. But if you want to save money, just go for the W7 option and you'll get good results. It's great for contouring because it is like a matte bronzer and it isn't like an orange tone. It's like just a neutral to warm tone. It isn't very warm. You can tell it's like slightly on the warm side, but it isn't very warm. So it's good for like bronzing and contouring, and it's good for like for medium skin tones. So I'm going in with a second bronzer because I'm extra AF. I'm using the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer. It's a sweet tea one, and I'm using the wee Bare Minerals Flawless Face Brush. Like it's one of them wee ones you get in one of the kits. I'm going to mix both the lighter and darker shade together just a couple of times and apply it to like the high points of my face. So literally just to go over that contour and give me more of a healthy glow. I love this stuff, it's just amazing. I've been just loving wearing like a luminous bronzer on top of my matte bronzer just to kind of give me more of a healthy glow basically. So you can see it just gives you like a nice lifted look, and it's just nice and healthy looking. It isn't like too shimmery or obvious looking, just a nice glow. This top is doing my head in. So I'm going to highlight my face using this Revolution Inspired by Love Baked Highlighter. It's a collaboration with Marie Curie. I've done a review on this, and also the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer too. But it looks like I think I'm going to mix all of them together. Or should I like the gold one? I don't know. I'll mix them all together anyway in this wee kind of unicorn highlighting brush. So just literally like that, and the high points. And it kind of supports the glow of half of the bronzer. So it kind of adds to that. I like to be nice and glowy. Actually, I'm going to go and just intensify the gold. I always go for that gold colour because I just love it so much. So yeah, taking more of the gold. Just, you can tell there's like a dip in that gold anyway. And literally down the nose on the cupid's bow. So just like that. A wee flat fluffy lid brush, and I'm going to go in with the pink shade. I'm actually going to just highlight the brow bone because I forgot to do that earlier on. And it kind of neatens up the crease. So just like that, nice kind of pink, brightened up brow bone basically. I'm going to do the same on the inner corners. So different and inner corner highlight mix is amazing. Like to really be dramatic with my inner corner highlight. I just like it to pop. So yeah. Some people say don't put shimmer on your brow bone or like your inner corners, but I'm just like, F it, I'm going to do it. I've always loved the shimmery brow bone highlight, so yeah, I do it anyway. Makeup is about how you like to express yourself and how you feel inside, not about people telling you what to wear, what to do, what makeup to wear. Obviously advice is nice, but like at the end of the day it's all about how you feel. I'm going to set my face using this MAC Watermelon Fixin' Plus. I'm going to do that around my eyes so it doesn't get... So I'm going to fill in the whole lip with this Flormar lip blender. I'm not entirely sure the shade name because it's kind of rubbed off, but it's like a peachy kind of nude. So I'm just going to fill it all in. So I'm going to apply a bit of this Primark Nudes liquid lipstick in the shade Fierce. It's very, very pale, so I'm going to do the tiniest bit on the centre of both lips, just to create more of that ombre look. So literally, just... Then I'm just going to take my finger and just dab it. You'd say just kind of gives that really. So I'm going to add the Alter Ego Lip Gloss by L'Oreal in Angel on my lips just to kind of top it off and give a bit of a gloss. And it'll kind of blend in like the ombre and make it look more just juicier. These glosses are amazing. Literally, they are amazing. So a good tip of how to stop your liquid lipstick, lip gloss, any lip product getting on your teeth, take your phone and just go like that. I've already done that, so that's why it's all around. And it just stops it from like giving you like stained teeth basically. That's what lips look like, just a nice kind of juicy pout, and it goes really well with them berry eyes. So here's the finished look. A nice kind of berry and rose gold smoky eye for nude pink lip. Perfect for daytime or nighttime depending on what way you want to dress it up or part it down. Originally I was going to go for like a nice lighter version of daytime look, but you know me, I went smoky, so all the time I just go for dramatic looks, just the way I am. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't ramble on too much, and I'll see you again in the next one. Stay gorgeous. Bye.